guys, Justin Lindhorst with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm on board this brand new Aquila 32 power catamaran. This particular boat powered with the twin Mercury 300 V8 engines, which do have joystick piloting. I'll give you a quick run through on the boat. Super fun boat, really family orientated, got a lot of seating. The performance is amazing with the Mercury engines. And let's get you on in and give you a quick run through of what you can expect. So as you're entering from the swim step, beautiful big swim ladder that goes out if you're into scuba diving or if you just want to get out at the sandbar. The beauty about a catamaran is we do have the space between the engines to afford us, giving us the nice big boarding ladder. Lots of seating back here, so you can really accommodate easily 12 to 15 passengers on this boat. The seat that you see here on the port side does fold out, and this becomes a nice sunbed if you wish. Very easy access on either the port or starboard. You have those little gates that you can move to give you easy access on and off the boat, or if you want to keep your puppy on board and nice and safe for young kids, you can put the gate in those positions right there. We do have our Fisher Panda diesel generator situated actually under the starboard side. And once again, a lot of comfortable seating as you're walking into the midsection of the boat. Tabletop that does flip up to give you nice easy access. Great bench seat with a fold out option there for drink holders with additional storage. Our co-pilot seat does have a reversible backrest and a nice little bolster seat right there. And right here at the helm seat for our captain and co-pilot, once again, they both have their own individual bolsters and this main seat which can go forward and back. Everything you want at the helm. We do have our Mercury joystick piloting. We have our 16-inch Raymarine Axiom Pro navigation system right there. Space over there if you want to add an iPad with navigation that you can operate from home if you wanted. We do have a beautiful sound system on board, the Fusion stereo with the upgraded Fusion subwoofer and speakers, which are all backlit. So nighttime, it's absolutely beautiful. The performance on this boat is unbelievable. For a 32-foot power catamaran, she gets up just under 50 miles an hour, and you get there really, really quick. So really fun boat to drive. One thing I love is the shallow draft of a catamaran. You can get into those really shallow areas at the sandbar if you wanted to, and you have the stability of a catamaran, so no need for add-ons like a Seakeeper. So a lot of benefits with the Cat. Work our way forward. We do have a cabin beneath me right over here, which is a comfortable cabin that can sleep two, and we do have a head and shower down the starboard side right here, which is plenty space. I'm 6'2", and I've got plenty of room above me once you get in there. We do have an electric Canyon grill right there. Super amazing grill to cook on. I love cooking on those Canyons. We have a nice hot cold freshwater sink, a beautiful isotherm refrigerator, and a trash can right there. So a very social area to do your entertaining. The captain can be sitting here cooking, entertaining with your guests right there. The conversation is going to flow between the front, the bow, and the stern of the boat. Accessing the bow, a lot of seating. You got comfortable bow seating here for four. A lot of space to lounge out. This one does have a filler cushion, so this complete bow area can become one big sun pad. So that's just a brief walkthrough on our new Aquila 32 Power Cat, which is located at MarineMax St. Petersburg. My name is Justin Lindhorst. If you want any additional information, give me a shout direct on 239-770-7096. Look forward to talking with you. Thank you.